When working on a lighting project, most people will give you a whole bunch of systems that you need to integrate into. You'll get a bunch of cables with, triggers, DMX recording, web interface, and they'll tell you, I need you to integrate all this into one single system. And then you start wondering, how am I going to do this? There's too many systems. Well, we have a solution. The ENTTEC S-PLAY. The ENTTEC S-PLAY will integrate all these inputs, outputs into one single controller with a clean timeline interface, allowing you to record and schedule your lighting sequences as you need it. So first up, how does this all work? The S-PLAY has got all the connectors on the back. You have two DMX ports for recording and also an Ethernet port. The Ethernet port is used to load up the web interface, connect your network, but it also uses to record ArtNet or streaming ACN and then play it back. There's also some I/O on the back. So you have some relays and some inputs. And if you need more, there's always the I/O extender. The I/O extender has a lot more I/Os on the back, relays, lots of inputs, analogs. So just keep that in mind, we'll put that aside. So now, let me load up the web page and show you how to create a sequence, which I'll be recording from ELM or any other software into the S-PLAY and then integrating it with the various trigger options that are going to solve the problem of all these cables that we had in the beginning of the video. So now my S-PLAY is connected to the network. Let's load up the web page on my laptop so I can start programming my lighting sequences. Now here's where it gets really interesting. I can create up to 200 different playlists using these recorded cues. Drag, drop, I can set fade times, loops, priorities, and schedule them to run automatically. I can have a Monday morning ambience cue, a Friday night party mode cue, special holiday shows, all programmed in advance. Basically, your venue runs itself. But what about real-time control and integrating with that pile of cable that I was showing you at the beginning? Well, we've got triggers on the S-PLAY. So on my trigger screen, I can select between 4 of the digital inputs for sensors, switches, or contact closures. This makes it the ideal tool for interactive environments. Let your audience literally become part of the show by having the lighting react or begin the next sequence as a direct result of their movement and actions. For example, I could have the lighting sequence start when someone breaks a beam or steps on a pressure mat. You can imagine whatever you want to make your lighting exhibit interactive. It speaks all the industry standard protocols: DMX in, ArtNet, streaming ACN, OSC, UDP, and also RS-232 for those older systems. As we talked about before, I can record my content from ELM or any other industry standard lighting console. But I have another option. I can use the effects generator inside the S-PLAY to generate simple sequences for LED tapes, neon flakes, pixel dots. This allows me to do color sweeps, gradient effects, patterns, all without any external software. I have 200 cues, 200 events, 200 triggers. Combined with this effect generator, it really gives a very powerful system, allowing me to program exciting sequences. And here's my favorite part. I can create custom user interfaces that then your customer can load up on their phone to control the whole venue. They only see what you want them to see, giving them a simple button interface to start and stop sequences. If you need more than 32 universes, through the web interface, you can set this unit as a leader unit, add more S-PLAYs to your network, and they become followers, each time adding another 32 universes. Your system grows with your needs, and all the communication happens through the standard Ethernet port, all in perfect sync. A great feature with the S-PLAY is all its mounting options. Not only this can be mounted in a 19-inch rack, I can put two side by side in 19-inch rack. I can surface mount this. I can also DIN rail mount this. All thanks to the little accessory bag you get when you purchase the S-PLAY. If you still think automation is complicated, I've just shown you that it's not. You can use the S-PLAY to integrate all the different control signals that you find in a venue or in an interactive installation and have it control all your lighting. It's simple to use. You can give your customer a clean user interface so they can interact with the unit without having to fiddle around or be intimidated by a million menu options. It really is the perfect unit for all those standalone lighting installations.